Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to put text behind a person here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so what you can see right now is I have a normal video, but what I have done with this is I've removed the background. You can do this by clicking video and clicking remove background. You can see I have put it on auto removal, so it has isolated characters for me and has simply just cut everything else out. Okay, now all I need to do is go to text and add text. You can see right here I'll have that as default text. Now what I want to do is drag this down in the timeline until it's behind. You can see it's put it behind the person. Now you're probably thinking that's okay, but I would like to see the rest of the clip in the background as well. That's fine, just Control C on the original clip, put it off to the side, and on this one we do want to remove the background search, the remove background right here. Okay, so make sure it is being applied to just this clip. So you can see it's not being applied to this one, it is being applied to this one. So quickly rejig it, move this one back down, and to make sure this one is behind, and make sure this one is above. And as you can see now, we have applied and the text has been put behind. If there are any of these little gaps, you can simply just go in to the original clip and go through custom removal, and from there just make sure you're erasing properly. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.